Okay, let's do one more with this idea about fair. And so, how do you know if something's a fair game? It means that A and B should come out the same over time. Okay, so let's see. So you're going to roll 2 fair dice and you need a sum of at least 10. So you don't always have to make the whole table. So sometimes you can just sort of make parts of it. So you know that you have to get 5s and 6s. And we'll just imagine this part of our 2 dice table. And you know that this is a 10 and this is an 11. Oh, we need a 4 too here. Okay, this is 4. Okay, so we've got 10s here, we've got 11s here, and we've got 12s here. Okay, so let's see. So we want to get a fair game. So it says A pays B the sum in dollars. Okay, so let's see. So what are you going to, so 1, 2, 3, 3 out of 36 times, you're going to win $10 if you are B. And then 2 out of 36 times, you're going to win $11. And 1 out of 36 times, you're going to win $12. So this is the expected value for B. This is what B thinks he's going to win on average. So that would be 30 plus 22 plus 12 out of 36. And since they're doing the problem in money, let's just we'll round to dollars. I'll grab my calculator, and I got 177. So since this is what B's going to get, this is what you'd expect A to pay. Okay, let's do one more now. This is that conditional probability, which a lot of you guys had to edit, so I'm glad we're doing one more. And some of you had a tough time making the tree. So if you envision the experiment, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull a coin. And the attributes you need is the coin fair or is the coin not fair? Okay, and then you care if you get a heads or if you get a tails. Or if you get a heads or if you get a tails. Okay, so let's see what the information said. We have 1 unfair and 3 fair. You got 1 and 3. So this is 1 out of 4. And this would be 3 out of 4. Okay, now let's see what else we got. They say if you grab a coin and toss it, 2/3 of the flips will come up heads for the unfair coin. So for unfair, heads is 2/3. So that means tail is 1/3. And a fair coin is half and half. Okay, so now we got to get the probabilities at the bottom. Some of you guys forgot to do that. So just multiply down the row. I think that's 3/8. And then this would be another 3/8. And this would be 2/12. And this would be 1/12. Okay, now let's see. Now we got to write this. So we need the probability of something happens knowing that something else happened. And let's see. I grabbed a coin out of my pocket. I tossed it and it came up heads. So you know what we know is that we got a heads. So when I look at the last line, this could have happened, this couldn't have happened, this could have happened, and this could have happened. So our new world is just those 2 probabilities. So I know that's the only thing that could have happened. So instead of counting, we're going to add the probabilities together. We want the chance that you actually grabbed an unfair coin. So when I look at these contenders, I think this is like the winner. This is the numerator. Okay, and just type that in your calculator. And I got 4/13, which is about 0.3077, which makes sense because if you didn't have that extra clue, you would have thought it was 25% chance, but we knew we got ahead, so that's a little better.